So we are back. We have been out for a day in Glasgow because Ben has never been to Glasgow.
No.
So yeah, what better way to introduce you to Glasgow than with a food tour? Yay!
Look forward to it.
So we got there a little bit on the later side for breakfast. So we got the subway straight out somewhere.
Yep. We're going to In Bloom, which is out by St George's Cross.
That was the plan.
Yeah.
But then we got there and we found out they were closed.
Dirty.
So yeah, this is just a quick bit to show you kind of how the system works with the tickets. They're paper tickets, which are recyclable, which is awesome. And they're also contactless.
Which is pretty cool.
Which is really cool. Yeah, the subway is kind of cool. It is quite small.
Yeah.
The good old Clockwork Orange.
Yep. It's just a loop, like the circle.
With really tiny trains.
Yep.
It's quite surprising they pulled up. I'm trying to avoid hitting my head going through the door on them.
Yeah, they do feel really squat. But ultimately, we got there and we were going to go to In Bloom. It was closed. But on our way to V&V, thanks to Happy Cow, good old Happy Cow, we found this. And I was like, oh, cool, Southwest Scramble, it's got tofu, that's really, really cool. And idiot here was too busy looking through the camera lens to realise that at the bottom of the menu it says, everything is vegan. It's like, damn it, there you go. But it had some really good options.
It did.
And that was the matcha latte. You had the cappuccino.
Yep. Vote.
Yep. And you had the latte.
Latte, yep.
Yep. And this was the Southwest Scramble. It was so good.
Yep.
It was really good. We shared this because we were trying to pace ourselves,
Yep.
whereas you're like a machine.
Yeah, I ate the whole thing by myself. Breakfast burrito.
Breakfast burrito. And there you are. There's your face again.
Yep.
So
Happy.
yeah, we split this and it was really good. Like, we're going to have to go back. Funny enough, before this gets posted, over on Instagram, one of the people that I follow on there was like, oh, you should try out their pancakes. They're really good. So we are going to have to go back.
Oh no. Oh no.
What a shame.
Now, to walk off breakfast, we went to Kibble Palace.
In the Botanics.
In the Botanics. Because it is really cool in there. Like, while we have the Botanics in Edinburgh, they're not quite as cool as this.
No.
And this is a beautiful building.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd have a wander around there because, we need to work up an appetite and pace ourselves.
Yeah. Burn off some of the food.
Yeah, this is still very early in the day.
Yeah.
And it's just nice because you've not been to Glasgow to show you a bit more.
Yeah, see some of it.
Yeah, a bit more of the city. Plus, it also has my favourite thing in here, which are the killer deadly plants, which I think they're beautiful. There's pictures of them coming up because I really like them.
But no, it's a really nice Victorian unhinged place because if this was done now, it would be very utilitarian and functional.
Yeah.
Whereas this is just a beautiful, beautiful building.
Yeah, there we go. Deadly plants with Leo in the background.
Yeah.
More deadly plants.
Yeah. No, the photos you took were really, really good.
Yeah, if you're watching this on a TV, they should look really good.
Yeah. So you should do that.
On a phone, maybe not so much. But after this, after having a good old wander around there, we went to the Hanoi Bike Shop because this is somewhere that I was telling you about.
Yeah, you
before you
recommended
came
it.
up. Yeah, because it is really good. And on Tuesdays, they do for V for Vendetta type vegan day.
Yeah.
Where everything in the specials there is vegan. Even the beer is vegan.
Yeah.
And they also have their vegan menu, which they have on a day-to-day basis anyway. They make their own tofu on site as well, and their tofu is very special.
Yeah.
It is lovely. So between us, again, because we're pacing ourselves, we went for the specials, or some of the specials. That was the hot pot, which was the tofu, coconut and tamarind with a side of rice. And you also get that kind of chili lemongrass oil. And you went for sweet potato
fritter.
Yeah, sweet potato fritters. That were lovely.
They were amazing.
Really good. You also got a side of greens, but we started eating before.
Yeah.
It's just like, you can't wait for that. It's fine. We'll just start eating. And then for dessert, we went round the corner to Loop and Scoop.
Yep.
Who they do vegan ice cream.
Yep.
Obviously, I am biased because I work in an ice cream shop. Their ice cream is all right. It's not the best.
No.
And they also don't seem to have weird flavours that don't always go together.
Yeah.
So this was well and truly your department, Leo,
Yeah.
because you were like, I'm ordering, just go sit upstairs.
So away those guys went. and I ordered the churros. It's quite cool being upstairs because you can see downstairs into the kitchen area.
Yeah, Ben will agree with this. I was like, oh my god, you can see into the kitchen! Like a small child.
Yeah, watch her make everything.
So, went for filled churros. And this is me stuffing my face with a Biscoff stuffed churro.
Yep, you heard that right. Biscoff stuffed
So
churro.
good.
Yeah. The other ones were peanut butter, which were good, but the Biscoff ones were amazing.
Do you know, I think my problem with the peanut butter one was?
What?
It tasted like proper peanut butter. I know that should be a good thing, but what you want is you want that cheap, sugary, salty peanut butter. That's what you want.
Yeah, I think by the end of churros, there's a bit too much of that kind of strong peanut butter flavour.
Because it was very good peanut butter, but it was too good. So
we've gone past the
I was
Calvin
gonna
Grove.
Between like this, which is dinner, and the churros, there were multiple beers. There was lots of wandering. Unfortunately, because Socky Hall Street is being ripped up, we were going to go to Steak Cat and Roll for milkshakes, but that kind of wasn't going to happen. There was a few things that we kind of wanted to do, but ultimately didn't happen.
Yeah.
So we did do more than just go straight from Scoop for churros to dinner. But, you know, you don't need to watch these two drinking beer.
Or do you?
And us going shopping for tea. So this is dinner. We went for... You both went for the burger.
Yes.
And I went for the toe fish and chips. Not toe fish and chips. Jackfruit fish and chips.
Yeah.
And we split half and half.
Yeah.
And, oh my God, the bun with that burger was so good.
Yeah.
It's like a pineapple brioche, isn't it?
Yeah, brioche.
Yeah.
So that's it, really. After that, it was cup of coffee, train home, and recover.
Yeah, sleep off the food.
So thank you for watching, everyone. It's been lovely to have Ben here.
It's been lovely to be up.
And yeah, we will see you all again soon, including Ben.
At some point soon.